Okay, we're on the move again. So we've just done the bus journey from Khao Sok and we're now in Onang and we're rushing to get the pier. Very nice lady in the pier shop just sold us all the tickets we need for the rest of the journey, actually. Pickups, drop-offs, everything we need all the way back to Phuket. So we're sorted as far as that's concerned. Very easy. And now Sarah is charging off like a missile because she thinks we're going to miss this longboat to Railay Beach. But that's not the case at all. Everything seems so chilled here that it'll be absolutely fine. One more leg for today and then we've got some relaxation before thinking of the adventures that we can have on Railay Beach. And we met this Australian girl Jill on the bus who's already trying to calm Sarah down. She's saying, calm down, you've got plenty of time, you've got plenty of time. Sarah's in her usual panic and Jill's calming her down.
She is, she just said, don't worry, they're only just bored.
Don't worry. So yeah, it's so easy getting around this place, it's not true. So we've made it from Khao Sok to Railay Beach. So I think we can say it. Welcome to Railay. Well, I can't really fault this location. And we arrived here after our 4 days up at the Khao Sok National Park, where we enjoyed all those adventures with the elephants and the scooters and on the lake at the hut in the jungle, on the kayaks. And we're here now for 5 days in Krabi at Railay Beach at the Railay Princess Spa Resort, which is just pure heaven. So I'm sat over there enjoying the sun, and we're just going to chill out now for 4 or 5 days, enjoy the evening vibes down in the town, the sunsets, the food, the music. It's a bit like Key West, reminds me a lot of Key West actually, down there in the town. And with views like this, you know, what's not to like? Another day, another boat. This time we're just taking the ferry from Railay round to Onang Pier, where we're going to rent a couple of motorbikes and then go off exploring Thailand's empty quarter. We're here to rent the scooter for the Dakar.
For a choice of 250 or 450. We're going for the 450 and I'm on the back.
had our little adventure on the scooter, and we're now here at the Khao Sok Hill, recommended by Lucy, and I must admit she made a good choice. Just take a look at this.
You were together. Yeah.
And you together?
No,
We're together.
we're together.
We're together.
And then when you
So
get
we're
on
going
the
on
boat
a
already,
Seven Islands
sign your name,
snorkeling
your
tour.
signature, and your country with my stop. Okay.
Okay.
And then put wristband in here.
Okay.
Ăn lê lèo. Một tiếng đây.
So we're on our way, heading out across the Andaman Sea. We've just left Railay Beach West. We're heading first to the islands of Koh Kai and Koh Kok, where hopefully we're going to make some snorkeling. Later on we've got the sunset and the barbecue, and then it's going to be absolutely epic. Before departing Krabi for our next destination, we visited Pranang Beach to swim in the Andaman. And then we headed to the famous Monkey Trail. And then just had time to enjoy one last glorious sunset. Join us next time on Koh Lanta, where we try tuk-tuk racing, stay at the Mellow Mango Resort, explore the island with Sally from Australia. I go scuba diving and we visit the Pirates Beach.